Hi, to customize control center on your iPad 10th generation, firstly, we would need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. First thing we can see is three folders. This hard one, this one for music, and this one for necessary tools such as airplane mode, AirDrop, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN. Let's go in this first hard folder, and here we got this list of controls, our default controls, right? And if you want to add some more features here or just remove some of them as QR code scanning, for example, you will need to tap this plus on the top. And now you can delete some of the controls here. For example, let's delete this QR code by tapping minus right here. And if you want to add more, you will need to tap Edit Control and select something from the list. For example, let's choose this text size. Just tap it and it will appear in your control center. By the way, you can resize those controls by dragging the corners like that. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger to see the name of the control, and you can reorder them, of course, if you just hold the icon and drag it anywhere across this control center like that. Just drag the corners to resize and hold to reorder. Now, to finish customizing this folder, we will need to tap on any free space on the screen, and this is how it will look. If you want to enable low power mode, for example, you need to tap this battery icon, and here you'll see that the low power mode is on now. If you wanna just make the text size smaller, you will need to swipe down here and you'll see the changes immediately. And let's make it bigger like it was before, and everything will be displayed above this control center. Also here you can see those two folders, so you can tap on them and check all of its features, so airplane mode, AirDrop, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN. But we got this on the third page, so let's delete this folder. For that, I'm gonna just tap on this minus, and now it's gone. And now let's go to the next page, which is for music. Here we can press and hold as well, resize this music widget and add something else. So we can add some controls here as well. Let's add translate. And now when you are done changing it, you just need to tap any free space on the screen, and here you can use translator. You can also just check music which is playing on your device. In this tab you can pause it, go to the next track, go to the previous, control the volume, and so on. And now let's go to the third page, and here we can enable or disable airplane mode, for example, by tapping it. So now you can see it's on and it disabled Wi-Fi. Let's disable airplane mode, and here we can see some arrows. So if you tap it, you'll get more options. So you can disable AirDrop, for example, by tapping it, so the icon won't light up blue anymore. You can go in Wi-Fi. Here, check your current network, switch to any other from the list, and also check Wi-Fi settings. We can do the same for the Bluetooth and VPN. And of course, by tapping the plus, we can add more controls here if you just select something from the list. And when you are done changing your control center, you will need to simply tap any free space and then tap again to leave the control center. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!